Hi, today I'm back with a kitchen clean with me video, and hopefully there'll be lots of cleaning motivation for everyone. And here's the before, and I've just washed up the dinner things there. As you can see, the kitchen just needs a quick clean and dry the dishes and put them away as well. And this is what I'm going to be cleaning with today, just some Dettol and some cloths. So I'll start with one side of the kitchen, and I'm going to put the cat food away because it was left in a box on the side. So I'm just going to put it where we normally put our cat food. And then I'm going to start wiping down the sides, and I'm going to be moving everything and doing behind everything as well. And I'll be wiping the back tiles because they're a bit mucky at the moment. That food that's on the counter is cheese left over from dinner. I made a lasagna and there was some cheese sprinkled on the top, and I don't know why, it just wouldn't come off at first off the counter. I really had to scrub that cheese to get it off. It was really stuck on, but it eventually all came off. And now you can see I'm just going to be cleaning the back tiles because they get a bit mucky where the sink is. And now I'm just going to be moving everything back, and then I'm going to be moving on to the sink. The sink got quite a bit mucky because of the sauce from the lasagna and in the lasagna pan. So it's not too bad, but it does need a clean. Sometimes I really hate making bologneses or lasagnas because they make a right mess in the sink like that. They just leave this horrible orange fatty mess around the sink, and it's a pain to clean. When I finish cleaning the sink, I start drying up all the washing up and putting it away in the cupboards. Now I'm going to be moving on to the other side of the kitchen. Again, there's a few bits of cheese and bits from dinner. Oh, I forgot we had some garlic bread, so there's a few breadcrumbs and cheese on the counter. But it's not stuck on like the other side. And I'm doing the same here as I did to the other side. I'm going to pull everything out, clean behind it, and clean the tiles near the sink, because again they've got mucky over time. I think I need to sort this corner out soon. It's got very cluttered. It's got all my washing stuff when I'm doing laundry, and then it's got my cutlery, and it's got a knife block, and then it's got 2 utensil holders in the corner there, and then it's got the slow cooker and the George Foreman grill. It's just a bit too much going on in that corner, so I need to sort it out, organise it a little better. I'm just cleaning the tiles by the slow cooker because it's near the cooker and they get quite mucky, like when I'm doing sauces and things in the pan. So when I cooked up the mince to do the lasagna, some of the sauce went on the tiles. Now that the worktops are all clean and tidy, I'm going to move on to the floors. I'm going to sweep everything up and then I'm going to mop it. And when I mopped it, I used a lavender all-purpose cleaner, and I just use that for my floors. And I got that from Lidl. When I was getting my mop bucket ready for doing the floors, my daughter just wanted to put her hands in it just because there was loads of bubbles from the all-purpose cleaner. She wouldn't let me mop with it for ages. I had to tell her that I needed it, but she just didn't want to listen to me for a while. In a minute you're going to see my dirty mop water. You're going to see how grey the water was. Not very nice. And you're going to see the afters now. See what the kitchen looks like after I cleaned it.